I have a good news for Vital users. I have made a new Vital preset pack, but I've also made a free light version of the preset pack. So 10 of my favorite presets in the preset pack will be available free to download. No additional steps, none cents required. You just go to our website and click the download and you will get it immediately. And secondly, I've also made a full version of the Vital pack. It's 104 presets. If we quickly take a look what is included in the preset pack. First, I have created new analog wavetables. These are the wavetables that I use in the preset pack. It has Jup 8, JX, 3P, Mini, OBX-A, SAM and SH101 as well. So really nice pack. And on top of that, this time I also sampled pad samples, means that long sustained sound. The main idea was I can use those long pads to layer my pad sounds to get more vintage gritty sound out of the Vital. And regularly this preset pack, it comes with the 104 loops for each preset. And then we of course have the MIDIs. This is really important, so that you can put the MIDI inside your Ableton and match it to preset, and you can straight ahead see how those presets actually can be used, so give you inspiration. And of course how to install video, so that you don't need to Google things up and you can just watch the video and see how everything should be installed. So what we are going to do, I will scroll through some of the presets here, the loops that's coming from the preset. The red ones actually include in the free preset, so that you know that you will get it when you download it. Everything is on the link below in the description, so go there to check out. But let's take a look first what we have here. This is one of my favorite as well, including free presets. Most of the presets are more mellow presets, passing into melodic house, deep house, progressive house sound, but I also add a couple of a bit slightly more aggressive presets so that you can combine them as you wish. I think this is my all-time favorite preset in the whole package. This is such a classic melodic house preset, so I had to include it. So really mellow pads here. And this is such a classic. Do you hear this pad sound all the time in all Melodic house tracks, even progressive house and deep house tracks as well? Yeah, some extra effects as well. Again, 10 of those presets are free to download. All I ask is maybe like the video and follow the channel. And if you want to support the channel more, you can get the full presets. I hope they can inspire you and bring you tons of joy. But other than that, I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.